Alright guys, so welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial we will continue our work on our Star Platinum right here, and yeah, I'm just gonna build some more on our Star Platinum model. So I would like to deal with the lower torso or Star Platinum, and yeah. Oh wait. So I'm gonna insert this plane right here. Okay guys, so while I'm building right here, we can talk about some stuff regarding my channel. So throughout the past months, as you guys have probably noticed, I have dropped some videos in which, yeah, I wanted to talk about some stuff regarding my channel. And you guys have probably seen those videos, so those were some kind of real talk videos, you know, so in which I just wanted to share you my thoughts about this channel right here and how this channel just develops, okay? And yeah, and since those videos, okay, I have noticed that barely anything has changed, and that it has become much more worse, to be honest, okay? So if we take a look at the views I have gotten in the last months in comparison to what we have now, then the views have dropped massively, okay? But I'm honest to you. So I was pretty annoyed by that at the beginning. But well, I'm honest to you, I do not care about it now. I'm just dropping those videos for you, you know. So if you want to watch them, then go ahead. If you do not want to watch them, then go ahead as well. I don't care. And yeah, of course, it would be much more better if I would have some more clicks, okay? Some more views. I have to be honest right here, but I do not want to push it or anything, okay? And yeah, so okay. Wait. What have I just done? Totally unnecessary, guys. This was totally unnecessary. So I can just do this and then wait. Yeah. All right, here we go. Okay. So now Star Platinum also has some kind of towel hanging in front of his, you know, in front of his yeah. You guys probably know what I was trying to say. So let's try and create this kind of towel he has. So Alright, here we go. So this is it. So we have now created this kind of towel, which is in front of Star Platinum's, you know, I do not want to say it, okay? Yeah, and this is it for this video, guys. So I just wanted to quickly create this create this kind of towel in front or in between his legs, okay? Yeah, the next video is probably going to be about the lower arm, and then we can do some stuff regarding his torso and create this kind of scarf he has, maybe. And then we'll finally move on with, yeah, actually creating the Star Platinum with all of his attacks, okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section. Take care and see you in the next video, guys.